Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, I don't know if you've seen it yet or not, or if I already accidentally showed you, but boom, look at that. This is pretty neat right here, guys. Got some new wheels for the 2019 f-150 Powerstroke. They're fuel tritons, 20 by 10s. I think the offset is like -18 or something like that. But yeah, I actually kept the same tires that I had on the other ones on here, because these tires are actually so good with towing and everything. So I went ahead and kept them. I don't know if you would say there's any poke at all. I do notice they definitely do stick out just a little bit further than the other ones, but nothing crazy. And I actually didn't want anything too crazy with these, because, you know, I use this for work and I didn't want to have to mess with the alignment and everything like that. But yeah, now to the actual video why we're here. I'm gonna show y'all my exhaust on my 3-liter Powerstroke. First thing first, we'll get a somewhat cold start. It's not too cold out here, probably mid 40s or so. So let's go ahead and start her up. And I'll leave it running in the background. Hope y'all can hear me. What I got on there, 4-inch straight pipe to an 8-inch tip, 90 horsepower his tune from Proven Diesel, and I have the Easy Link tuner for the old weight deduction, as they call it on these diesels. I think it sounds a lot better with a bigger tip than a smaller one. I like how it echoes and sounds deeper with the bigger tips like that. Makes it sound like a bigger diesel than a 3-liter. I guess I can go ahead and drive this guy into the driveway here and just let y'all get a little rolling sound clip of it. All right, so I'm just polar up into here. Exhaust is on this side, so it'll be the opposite, so just keep that in mind. The camera's not gonna pick the sound up perfectly, but it should give y'all a good idea. Yeah, this is what the setup looks like from the back. It looks pretty beefy, pretty mean if you ask me. Now I'll set the camera down and do a few revs. I think y'all saw it rolling a little bit of coal, but it doesn't roll too much coal for some reason when you rev it. You know, when you're in drive and moving, she'll dump some out of there. Yeah, a little walk around. Yeah, not too crazy, but it sounds pretty good, definitely. Now we'll go ahead and turn her off before the coppers show up in my HOA regulated neighborhood. And I guess what we could do real quick is go ahead and take it for a little drive around, so y'all can see you know, how it sounds from the cab and everything. Let me go ahead and roll the windows down real quick, and we'll get this start going here. Go ahead and get a little just drive through the neighborhood here. Not gonna do anything too crazy because it's in the neighborhood. I don't know if y'all just heard it, but the turbo whistled pretty good right there. That right there was a good whistle. I don't know if y'all heard that, but it sounded crazy. We'll go ahead and get a little takeoff here. Yeah guys, we are back home now. A little bit of teleportation there. Go ahead and hop out and close this door. And then yeah, talking about the exhaust a little more, I do believe right off the turbo, which is, you know, right about there under the truck, I think it's a 3.5 inch pipe, and then it goes down to 4 inch straight pipe, 8 inch tip. So yep, that's that. There she blows, guys. A lot of people on TikTok were asking about it, so I figured I'd just make a video of it. There y'all go. She sounds sweet. Other than that, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap the video. Let me know what y'all think about this exhaust and these new wheels I got. Make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.